When you walk into your home, do you ever feel tense or uneasy, even though you try to make it calm and peaceful? After working with homes for over 2 decades, I can tell you there are hidden places in every home that quietly drain your energy and your calm. I'm Natalia Kaylin, a mindful design consultant. In this video, I'll show you where those spots are, why they affect your mood and well-being, and simple ways to fix them so your home finally feels peaceful again. Most people don't realize that a home can look beautiful and still hold tension. It's not just about how a room looks, it's how stress can quietly build up in certain areas without us noticing. So let's look at the 8 most common places where good energy slowly turns into stressful energy. The first spot isn't exactly hidden, but most people underestimate how much it affects them. It's your entryway. This is the moment your home meets you. And if it's cluttered, dark, or tight, your mind picks that up instantly. Piled up shoes, bags dropped by the door, piles of mail, it's not awful, but it sends a message. There is a work waiting. It's not relaxing here. And that tiny stress response, it happens every time you come home. It adds up. But the moment you clear that first few feet inside the door, maybe add a brighter light, a plant, or a piece of uplifting art, people always say the same thing. I feel lighter, happier, more welcomed. That's the response we want to create. Imagine coming home and instantly feeling safe, welcome, and at ease. That's what we are working toward here, a home that comforts and restores you instead of draining you. And if you ever need more ideas for your entryway, including some feng shui tips, I have an entire video just on that. I'll add it in the description for you. Next spot is in the bedroom, under your bed. Most people don't think about this one, but it affects how deeply you rest. If the space under your bed is stuffed with old clothes, boxes, notes from the past, or things you don't really want anymore, your body senses that, especially at night when you are more sensitive. Someone commented on one of my videos that she had old emotional letters under her bed. After she finally got rid of them, she said she slept better than she had in years. If you need to keep things under your bed, try to make it minimal. Linens or blankets are fine. And vacuum under there more than once a year. You will sleep better in a clean environment. Every home has an energy dead zone, a corner or an entire room that is not used. Maybe it's a random chair nobody sits in, or that pile of papers that just lives on a dining room table, or a guest room that turned into a storage unit. When a corner becomes stagnant, it affects the whole room. And if you have a few places like that in your home, you may feel unmotivated or stuck. Here is your homework. Pick one dead zone corner and bring it back to life. Clear it, maybe add a plant, better lighting, and maybe a new throw blanket or decorative pillow, depending on what a place needs. As soon as that corner lights up, the whole room will feel different, and so will you. You will definitely feel it. I recently got a comment from one of the viewers. It resonated with me deeply. She wrote, "Love your channel. I enjoy listening to you. So many AI videos nowadays, so I am starved for the real human faces and real voices. I know I'm not perfect, but I'm human. So if you feel similar, please support my channel by giving it a thumbs up, subscribe, and spread the word. Share it with others who may benefit. It all will help a great deal because it's hard to compete with perfect AI videos." Now let's talk about something that everyone has these days: electronics clutter. Phones, TVs, chargers, tablets, Alexa, we are swimming in devices. All the tiny lights, sounds, cables, they signal activity all the time, even when you are trying to rest. I'm not even going into that news and social media are super stressful these days. Many of us are addicted to this constant background stimulation. But it really does drain us and stresses us. Bedrooms suffer the most. If your phone charges right next to your pillow or a TV is across your bed, you cannot relax deeply because your nervous system stays half alert all night. Plus, there is an electromagnetic radiation from the charges that might be too close to your head. Try creating tech-free zone. I would recommend this would be your bedroom. In other areas, try to minimize and hide the cables. The effect will be is like your mind can finally exhale. Next on the list is harsh lighting, which is considered to be a hidden stress trigger as well. Cool white or bluish lights look clean and bright, but they tell your brain, stay awake, stay alert. In the evening or at night, that is the opposite of what you want. You want to be able to relax and unwind. Switch to warmer bulbs, use dimmers, use lamps in the evening instead of ceiling lights. Little changes make a whole room softer and better for your body. You'll notice it right away. The next segment is about mirrors. They are tricky. They can make a room bigger and brighter, or they can double stress. A mirror that reflects clutter or sharp corners, sharp furniture details, or reflects you sleeping in the bedroom can create restlessness. In Feng Shui, mirrors are used very carefully because they can multiply whatever they reflect. If they reflect nature or a beautiful painting placed intentionally, they multiply abundance. If they reflect chaos or something unpleasant, you get more of that. Look around your home and just notice what your mirrors are reflecting. Do they reflect something calming and beautiful, or something you don't actually want more of? I have a very detailed mirror placement video. I'll link it below too. Another calm drain is simply the absence of nature in our homes. Our brains evolved in natural environments. So plants, wood, sunlight, even nature images actually lower stress levels and make us happier. If a room feels flat or lifeless, try adding a plant or even a nature print. On the flip side, cold, sharp, abstract art or very gray surroundings can increase tension and even contribute to depression. Try switching one piece of art to something softer or more colorful. Or bring in a wooden bowl, a stone object, natural fabric curtains, or a wool rug. You will feel the shift right away. The last one is very powerful: emotional clutter. Everyone has something like this. Objects that hold heavy memories. Furniture from an unhappy time. Gifts you don't love but feel obligated to keep. Things you don't like anymore, and things that belong to a past version of you. Even when you stop noticing these items, your subconscious still notices them. This object might be anywhere in the house. They whisper old stories. Start small, go through one shelf and ask yourself, does this lift me up or does it weigh me down? When you let go of what weighs you down or drains you, you create space for new energy, new experiences, new inspiration. These 8 spots are a powerful place to start. And the moment you shift even one of them, your home starts feeling different, lighter, calmer, more like you. You are not just tidying, you are reclaiming your calm and your joy. You're reclaiming the energy you need for your life. If you found one or few of these spots in your home, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what you are changing. And if you want more of mindful design and authentic feng shui tips, please subscribe. There is so much more to explore together. Thanks for watching, my friend. Take good care of your home and let it take good care of you.